Greetings and welcome to this video on JavaScript interview questions and answers. My name is Michelle AI, and our focus today is on external scripts in JS, a topic frequently discussed in front-end interviews. As we explore this subject, you will not only deepen your understanding of JavaScript, but also refine your skills for your next JavaScript interview. During the video, we'll pose a question for you to answer, followed by the correct response. We will give you 15 seconds to answer each question. Optionally, you can pause the video if you need more time. Although we will be focusing on interview responses, it's important to be familiar with the technical aspect of each topic. You can find detailed technical responses under the External Scripts category on our website at hellojavascript.info. So, let's get started with the first question. What is an external script in JavaScript? Here is the interview response. An external script is a file that is separate from the HTML file that it is being used in. It is linked to the HTML file using a script tag and is usually saved with a .js file extension. Now, for the next question. How do you access external script files? The interview response is: to access external script files in web development, you can use the HTML script tag with the source attribute set to the file path of the external script. Let's move on to the next question. How do you access external script links in JavaScript development? Here is the correct answer to this question. We can access external scripts by using the script source attribute. Both secure and non-secure domains are permissible. Here's the next question. What is the rule for putting scripts into HTML documents? The correct interview response is: as a rule, only the most straightforward scripts go into HTML pages. Complex scripts should reside in separate files. The general rule for putting scripts into HTML is to include them in the body or head section using the script tag. This is the next question. What is the benefit of using a separate script file in relation to the browser? The correct answer is: the benefit of using a separate file is that the browser downloads and stores the script in its cache. Instead of downloading it on every load, other pages referencing the same script take it from the cache. That reduces resource consumption and makes pages load faster. Let's look at the next question. Can a script tag reference an external file and have code inside of it? This is the correct way to answer this question. No, a script tag cannot contain both an external file and code inside it. It will result in a syntax error. Now for the next question. In JavaScript, what are the advantages of using external scripts? The correct interview answer is: using external scripts can help to separate your code into manageable pieces, make it easier to maintain and debug, and improve the overall performance of your website by allowing the browser to cache the script. Let's move on to the next question. Is linking multiple external scripts in a single HTML file possible? Now, for the correct answer. Yes, it is possible to link multiple external scripts within a single HTML file. You will have to use separate script tags, but it is possible. Here's the next question. Can you include JavaScript code directly in an HTML file instead of using an external script? Here is the response to this interview question. Yes, you can include JavaScript code directly in an HTML file using the script tag with the code enclosed in the tag. However, this is not recommended for larger scripts, as it can make the HTML file difficult to read and maintain. This is the next question. What is the difference between using an external script and including JavaScript code directly in an HTML file? Here is the interview response. An external script is a separate file that is loaded and cached separately, while inline scripts are directly embedded in the HTML file. Let's look at the next question. Can you use external scripts in conjunction with inline scripts? The interview response is: yes, you can use external scripts in conjunction with inline scripts. However, you should ensure that your scripts do not conflict with each other and that any necessary dependencies are loaded in the correct order. Now, for the next question. What is the difference between the async and defer attributes when loading external scripts? Here is the correct answer to this question. The async attribute loads and executes a script asynchronously, while the defer attribute defers script execution until after the page has finished loading. Now, for the final question. How can you ensure that your external scripts are loaded and executed correctly? The correct interview response is: to ensure that external scripts are loaded and executed correctly in JavaScript, we can use the onLoad and onError events of the HTML script element object. The onLoad event fires when the script has been successfully loaded, while the onError event fires when the script fails to load or encounters an error during execution. We've now come to the end of this video on external scripts. We hope that you found it to be informative and valuable. Be sure to join us for the next video, where we'll take a closer look at code structures. Thank you for watching.